3 questions for you. 1. Do you use nitrogen or oxygen in your production processes? 2. Do you buy this gas? 3. Why? Chances are that the answer to this last question is that you have always bought your nitrogen or oxygen. But the downsides of purchasing industrial gases are too important to ignore. First, because the cost of delivered gas is at a record high. Locked into a long-term contract, you pay more every year. You're also dependent on others to get your oxygen or nitrogen to you, which means you have little to no control over the supply of a resource that is essential to your production. Of course, the delivery of liquid or bottled gas comes with a significant carbon footprint and associated air pollution. Luckily, a better solution is available: generating your own oxygen or nitrogen. An on-site gas generator takes the nitrogen or oxygen that is in the air around us and purifies it to the level, quality, and volume you need for your production. And every new generation of generators does so even more efficiently. So say goodbye to administrative hassles, burdensome deliveries, and expensive contracts, and say hello to significant cost savings, full control of gas supply and quality, and a smaller environmental footprint. Pneumatech offers a complete suite of oxygen and nitrogen generators that simply connect to a compressor. As the air treatment and gas generation expert, Pneumatech develops products with industry-leading efficiency to give you the lowest cost of gas. Whether you're looking to build a new plant or you're looking to improve your gas management, our Pneumatech experts understand your application, even if it is specialized, to develop a solution that works best for you. Contact us today for more information. Pneumatech, pure air, pure gas.